Hi guys, it's Chris here. Welcome back for a new video. Today we have unboxing of robot sweeper from Fine Dragon FD RSWD. This is a vacuum robot and it comes with auto sweep, and they said it removes 99% of dirt. It has a neutral design, easy to empty dust by pressing the release button, stairs door sensor, and it can detect the walls or the furniture before bumping. Also has an easy off change the battery. The changing voltage is 240 volts and it works with 50-60 Hz. Charging time is 3 to 4 hours and continuously working time is 1 hour. Cleaning width is 240 millimeters and dust bin capacity is 0.3 liters. As you can see inside the box, we got user manual, we got charger, the normal charger, and we got the vacuum robots and spare brushes. So you have to fit these brushes here, but like I said before, yeah, there's a spare brush to come with. I'm gonna put the spare brush aside and I'm gonna fit the other one in. As you can see, the robot has only one power button, 2 LEDs, one handle, and one charger and one start button. It comes already charged, so now we can start it. Okay guys, so as you can see the robot is working. So all you have to know, it comes pre-charged, it has sensors, it doesn't hit the walls, doesn't fall off the table, so I will say it's a good robot. So thanks for today. If you like my videos, please don't forget to share and like it on social media, and please, if you like my channel, subscribe to it. Until next time, all the best. See you soon.